Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 11, Algorithm and Flowchart. This topic is basically related to programming thing which you will study in higher classes. In this video we will study about algorithm. So first of all, let us see what is algorithm. An algorithm is the first step to develop a program. It is a systematic and logical procedure for solving a problem. It is written in a simple language so that one can easily understand the steps. A good algorithm helps us to write effective and efficient program. Now, what is program? We need to understand what is program. A program is a set of instructions that directs a computer to perform a specific task. अगर किसी तरह का कोई काम करना हो, then we need a direction that is known as program. Similarly, for doing a program, we can do that program either in a way of algorithm or in a way of flowchart. उसको हम लोग दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. Basically, to do anything, we need steps. For example, if you wake up in the morning, then you do few things which are organized in steps. So that is known as algorithm. Similarly, in computer also, if you want to do some task, then you need a systematic steps. You need to follow those systematic steps. And when you write those systematic steps in a proper way with a logical procedure, then that is known as algorithm. Let us move forward and see few of the daily life examples. The first example we will see, that is algorithm to buy a cake. Means if your mother is telling you to buy a cake, what are the steps you need to follow? So the first step would be step 1, take money. You will take money from your mother. Step 2, go to a bakery shop. You will go to the shop. Step 3, select a cake. You need to select the cake. Step 4, get the cake packed. Means you will tell the shopkeeper to pack the cake. Step 5, pay the bill for the cake. You will give the money to the shopkeeper. And step 6, you return home with the cake. So for writing an algorithm, my dear children, we need to write the steps like this: step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and so on. And we need to write few specific words. For example, take. Take means you are taking from someone. This means input. This means input. Somewhere on the other side, this means input. Taking means input. Again, paying means when you give, then that is output. Get the cake packed. When we take the cake, then that is processing. So basically, you would have studied that computer runs on a logic of I, P, O. That is input, processing, output. Computer always work on this cycle known as input, then processing, then we do the output, and then again we do the input. So this is the IPO cycle on which a computer works. Okay? Now let us move and see some other examples. Another example is the algorithm to brush your teeth. What are the steps you need to follow when you brush your teeth? First, we will go to the washroom. Step number 2, take your brush. Step 3, take the toothpaste. Step 4, apply the toothpaste on the brush. Step 5, brush your teeth. Step 6, wash your teeth and mouth with water. Step 7. Wipe your face. So again, what we are doing here children, again we are doing input processing output. We are doing input processing and output. Going input, taking input, applying, processing, washing, output, wiping out, output. So here also we are working about on input, processing and output. So now let us move forward and see one more example which is basically based on maths. So algorithm to find the average of four numbers. How you can find it? Step 1. Get the four numbers to be added. Now here you can do the rough. What are the four numbers? What you will take? First of all we will take the four numbers. Here I am taking 2, 6, 4 and 8. Step 2. Add the numbers to get their sum. We will add the numbers and we will get the sum. Here we have got 20. Step 3. Divide the sum by 4. That is the rule of average. We need to divide the sum by the total number. So here the sum is 20 and we are dividing it by 4. Then step 4 is display the result as average, that is 5. Then here we have got the result 5. So here my dear children, again what we are doing, get input, add, processing, divide, processing, display, output. So here also we are working on the cycle of input, processing, output. This is the IPO cycle on which a computer runs, and this only we need to follow for any of the algorithm if it is being given solved to us. So my dear children, I hope this would be clear to you all. We will see the topic flowchart in the next video. Thank you children.